China is affectionately called the Dragon of Asia, not just for its remarkable economy, but also as the birthplace of civilization, with a history that stretches back over 5,000 years. Did you know that the streets in China are so clean that you won't spot a speck of dust? Or that China has one of the most modern and intricate transportation systems in the world? It is a country that leads globally in various fields, including technology, arts, and engineering. Yet the cost of living is only about 30% of what it is in the United States. Join us as we delve into the fascinating facets of life in China in today's travel documentary. If there's a country where you could spend your entire life exploring and still not completely comprehend its vastness and diversity, it is undoubtedly China. Spanning an area of 9.6 million square kilometers, China is the second largest country in the world, excluding Russia, and it is almost equal to the combined land area of all of Europe. If you were to drive from the far east to the far west, the journey could cover over 5,000 kilometers, which is longer than the distance from New York to Los Angeles. But the vastness of China is not only reflected in its size, it is also seen in its rich diversity of landscapes, cultures, and people. Interestingly, China hosts nearly every type of terrain found on Earth, ranging from the towering peaks of the Himalayas, which include the legendary Mount Everest, to the arid deserts of Xinjiang, the breathtaking rice terraces of Guizhou, and even the tropical rainforests of Hainan Island. This diversity is also evident in the climate, with the northern regions experiencing icy winter temperatures dropping to -20 degrees Celsius, while the southern parts remain warm throughout the year, much like Florida. The immense stature of China lies not only in its vast territory but also in its populace. With over 1.4 billion residents, it is the most populous country globally, meaning that 1 in every 5 people on the planet is Chinese. Interestingly, China's population surpasses that of North America and Europe combined. The country is also home to 56 distinct ethnic groups, with the Han people constituting over 91%, while the remaining are minority groups with their own unique cultures, including Tibetans, Hui, and Manchus. The linguistic landscape of China is equally remarkable. Mandarin is the world's most spoken language, boasting over 1 billion speakers. However, there isn't just a single Chinese language. There are numerous dialects. A person from Shanghai might find it difficult to communicate with someone from Guangdong due to variations in pronunciation and vocabulary. If you have ever attempted to learn Chinese, you would understand that a single character can have more than 10 different pronunciations. Moreover, a simple word like ma can mean mother, horse, or even scold. The name China or Zhongguo translates to Middle Kingdom, reflecting an age-old belief that this is the cradle of civilization. The powerful symbol of this nation, the Chinese flag, with its vibrant red background and 5 yellow stars, signifies the leadership of the Communist Party and the unity of the people. The red color also represents good luck and prosperity, according to traditional beliefs. When you visit China, you'll notice something quite remarkable. The streets are so clean that you can hardly find a scrap of litter. Whether you are wandering through the bustling streets of Shanghai or Beijing, or exploring a small village in the countryside, the common thread is the incredible cleanliness. Sidewalks are always spotless, and even narrow lanes show no signs of rubbish or plastic bags flying around, like in many urban areas across the globe. Interestingly, this cleanliness in China is not solely due to the public's awareness. It is also backed by a world-class sanitation system. Major cities have teams of sanitation workers who operate round the clock, ensuring that every street and sidewalk remains in immaculate condition. In fact, many cities even utilize technology to measure dust levels on each square meter of road. And if it exceeds the permissible limit, cleaning staff can be fined or even face job loss. This makes it nearly impossible for even the smallest speck of dust to linger on the streets. China not only relies on human effort but also incorporates modern technology. Cities employ street cleaning robots, large vacuum machines, and even drones to monitor and identify areas that require cleaning. In Shenzhen, smart garbage bins are placed every 50 meters that can automatically sort waste. This level of cleanliness mainly arises from the high environmental consciousness among the Chinese populace. While plastic bags continue to be common in supermarkets in the US, many people in China have adapted to carrying reusable cloth bags when going shopping. Stores and supermarkets charge for plastic bags to encourage people to cut down on plastic waste, which has helped make China one of the leading nations in the urban greening initiative. There's a well-known story about a millionaire who collects garbage. He is a successful businessman who passionately pursues his hobby of collecting trash each day to the point that his family has distanced themselves from him. At first, locals and even his family were skeptical of his actions and tried to stop him. Why? Leave a comment with the number 5 and we will share the answer. Besides the cleanliness, you will be astonished by China's modern transportation system. This country is known for its incredible speed and scale of infrastructure, which can impress anyone. Notably, China features the largest and fastest high-speed rail system in the world. With over 40,000 kilometers of track, this system can transport you from Beijing to Shanghai, a distance of over 1,300 kilometers in just 4 hours. High-speed trains in India can reach speeds of 350 kilometers per hour under normal operating conditions. But a speed record set in 2010 reached 486 kilometers per hour, which is faster than many small commercial airplanes. Not only do we have high-speed trains, but the metro systems in major cities like Beijing, Shanghai, and Shenzhen are also among the finest in the world. Trains are always on time, clean, and spacious. And importantly, the ticket prices are incredibly affordable compared to Western countries. While metro fares in New York or London can go up to $250 to $400 per ride, in China, you can travel long distances for under $75. To truly experience the fascinating transportation culture in China, visiting Chongqing is a must, as it is known for its unique traffic maze. Its hilly terrain can confuse any driver, featuring multi-layered roads, buildings with trains running through them, and intersections where a wrong turn could mean driving for dozens of kilometers before you can turn back. Notably, Chongqing has urban cable cars that help residents move swiftly over rivers and hills, a sight you won't find anywhere else in the world. Additionally, the massive bridges spanning the Yangtze River and numerous tunnels through mountains contribute to a transportation system that even many developed countries admire. Here, you will certainly feel the warmth of the Chinese people, one of the most hospitable nations in the world. Whether you're wandering through the busy streets of Shanghai or visiting a quaint village, you will always find someone who is willing to assist you. Interestingly, even if not everyone converses in English, they will make use of all possible means, from Google Translate to sketching maps or even escorting you to your destination. As you stroll along, you can't help but notice confident young women radiating beauty, their flawless skin blending traditional grace with contemporary style. Traditional modest qipaos can be elegantly complemented with modern fashion accessories, creating a look that is both charming and strong. You'll also meet many young women who often gather in small groups of 2 or 3, chatting or providing travel tips to foreign tourists. Chinese girls are not only very friendly, but also quite fond of foreigners. Despite the female population in China being lower than that of males, there is a noticeable trend of Chinese women marrying foreigners on the rise. If you would like us to share tips on how to connect online and little tricks to win over Chinese girls, just leave a comment with the number 8. A lesser known story about Chinese women is the growing trend of women opting to remain single in modern society. What drives them to make this choice? One reason is their preference for personal freedom and career over adhering to traditional family expectations. In China, there are women engaged in remarkable professions, ranging from executives to renowned artists, all of whom have opted to remain single to concentrate on their careers and personal passions. For many Chinese women, this represents independence, strength, and self-reliance. If you visit China with the intention of finding a partner, don't feel disheartened. You are bound to meet women with exceptionally high standards, not just in looks, but also in intelligence, career accomplishments, and culinary skills. However, don't fret, they possess a light-hearted view on love. While they may come off as distant, there is a warm heart beneath that facade. They are always open to love, but only if a man can share her enthusiasm for work and personal pursuits. So if you believe you can change a Chinese girl's perspective on marriage, give it a try. She might have lofty expectations, but once you demonstrate that you are dependable and genuinely engaging, you could become someone special in her eyes. You'll certainly have an interesting tale to tell your friends about your quest for love in China. Did you know there is an actual place in China often referred to as the Women's Kingdom, reminiscent of the Journey to the West, where women wield a significant power and have distinct marriage traditions? Comment with the number 3 if you wish to explore. Speaking of the expat community in China, you will observe something quite fascinating. It is one of the most diverse and rapidly expanding international communities globally. In major cities like Beijing, Shanghai, and Guangzhou, the number of foreigners residing and working has crossed 10 million, hailing from over 100 different countries. In every locality of these cities, there are dining areas, grocery stores, and essential services tailored to the preferences of various nationalities for the foreigners. Consequently, the lives of expatriates in these cities are quite convenient and comfortable. What's noteworthy is that not only do foreigners come to work in multinational corporations, but many also arrive to study, conduct research, or explore entrepreneurial ventures in this country. The cultural exchange in China is strikingly vibrant, making it an appealing environment, particularly for Americans and Europeans, where they discover not only business prospects, but also an entirely new and thrilling living experience. If you wish to connect with the foreign community in China, kindly leave a comment with the number 9 and your country name, and we will reply below. Every year, China welcomes over 100 million international tourists and residents. Are you curious why? It's because the cost of living in China is remarkably low, at just about 35% of what it is in the United States. Living in China is an experience that can come as a surprise, especially regarding the cost of living. Compared to the US or Europe, China provides incredible value. For example, renting a one-bedroom flat in the heart of cities like Beijing or Shanghai could set you back anywhere from 40,000 to 50,000 per month. This is roughly 50 to 70% cheaper than living in major cities in the US. Even if you opt for the suburbs, the rent is only around 20,000 to 30,000 per month. Utilities including electricity, water and internet generally amount to about 4,000 to 8,000 per month. That's a fraction of what you would spend back home. When it comes to food, China is a paradise for food enthusiasts, and it won't burn a hole in your pocket. Eating out at local eateries might cost you as little as 150 to 400 for a meal, and even mid-range dining will usually only set you back 800 to 1200. Groceries are quite affordable as well, with a week's shopping averaging around 2500 to 4000. Getting around in China is very economical too. Public transport in most cities costs just 25 for a bus ride, and a taxi ride can be as low as 400 for short distances. If you prefer to drive, a monthly car rental can cost about 25,000. For fitness, a gym membership typically ranges between 1,500 to 3,000 per month. A dental checkup costs around 2,500 to 4,000, making healthcare much more affordable than in the US. All in all, the total monthly cost for one person in China, including rent, food, utilities, transport, and leisure, usually comes out to around 55,000 to 90,000, about half of what you'd pay in cities like New York or London. It's an affordable and vibrant lifestyle that offers a unique experience at a significantly lower cost. With this cost in mind, would you consider settling here? If yes, select number 1. If no, select number 0. With such reasonable living expenses, what unforgettable travel experiences await you in China? China is home to the highest number of UNESCO World Heritage Sites in the world and stands as one of the most sought-after travel destinations globally. As per forecasts by Euromonitor International, China is set to become the most popular travel spot in the world by 2030. Starting from the capital, Beijing, you will encounter some of the most renowned attractions worldwide. This capital city beautifully merges tradition and modernity. The Forbidden City, the oldest royal palace on the planet, the awe-inspiring Great Wall, and the historic Tiananmen Square are all situated in the heart of the city. Notably, Beijing's nightlife is exceedingly vibrant, particularly in areas like Wangfujing, where you can sample unique street foods or enjoy a traditional Chinese performance. What's special about Beijing is the mix of cultures, ranging from traditional tea houses to contemporary shopping hubs like Sanlitun. You may easily find yourself immersed in a different realm where everything connects the past to the present. Beyond Beijing, China has an array of fantastic travel destinations. From the modern skyline of Shanghai to Hangzhou, renowned for the breathtaking beauty of Westlake. Nature enthusiasts must not miss Zhuhaigu with its crystal clear lakes and stunning waterfalls. Interestingly, China is home to many beautiful national parks and nature reserves. Zhangjiajie National Park, with its towering cliffs and stunning scenery, inspired the famous movie Avatar. Walking on the world's longest glass bridge will be an exhilarating experience for the thrill seekers. Moreover, you cannot miss the opportunity to see giant pandas. An interesting fact to note is that all pandas globally belong to China. So if you spot a panda in your country, it has been loaned from China. In China, all species of pandas can be found in Chengdu, the capital of Sichuan province. Another important highlight not to be missed is China's stunning beaches. Sanya on Hainan Island is one of the most renowned beaches, often referred to as the Hawaii of China, due to its fine white sands, clear blue waters, and luxury resorts. It's the perfect place to relax, unwind, or indulge in water sports like surfing and parasailing. When traveling, you certainly can't overlook the opportunity to explore the local cuisine. Chinese food offers one of the most unique and exciting experiences, which you should definitely not miss. There's a popular saying in China, eat anything that can move. This is no exaggeration, as the Chinese are known to consume all sorts of animals, ranging from crocodiles and turtles to sharks, frogs, and even dog and cat meat, as well as cockroaches and insects. In markets and restaurants, you can easily find these unconventional dishes without having to search too far. Another interesting aspect is that during significant occasions like birthdays or the Lunar New Year, the Chinese prefer to substitute birthday cakes with longevity noodles. These noodles are long and uncut, symbolizing that the longer the noodle, the longer and more prosperous one's life will be. Unlike the sweet cakes that are commonly seen in the West, longevity noodles carry a unique cultural significance. Chinese cuisine is also renowned for its astonishing diversity, ranging from rich meat dishes to light vegetable preparations. The Chinese palate is quite bold, featuring a robust mix of spices, saltiness, and oiliness. This has made Chinese cuisine one of the most famous and cherished culinary traditions worldwide. Notably, not only are there well-known dishes like Peking duck or dim sum, but each region in China also boasts its own unique specialties that are not available elsewhere. Furthermore, China is a vibrant country with festivals taking place throughout the year. One of the most significant festivals is the Lunar New Year, which lasts for 15 days. This is the most important holiday for the Chinese people. Like in other Asian countries, the New Year is a time for family reunions. The atmosphere turns lively with lion and dragon dances, and dazzling fireworks light up the streets. People adorn their homes with red paper cutouts featuring auspicious wishes, and children receive red envelopes filled with lucky money. Notably, the Lunar New Year also signifies the largest human migration globally, as millions head back to their hometowns, resulting in bustling scenes at bus stations, airports, and along highways. Another festival worth mentioning is the Harbin Ice Festival in winter, which takes place from January to February. Known as the Ice City of China, it transforms into a winter wonderland with ice sculptures, dazzling lanterns, and activities such as skiing and even winter swimming. The Lantern Festival, occurring right after the Lunar New Year, features people lighting colorful lanterns of various shapes and sizes, symbolizing unity and hope for a brighter future. Imagine the nights glowing under a dark sky along with sweet dumplings, a dish symbolizing family harmony. While traveling and exploring China, you can feel completely at ease. China is one of the safest countries in the world, especially in major cities like Beijing, Shanghai, and Guangzhou. According to global safety indices, China ranks among the top 30 safest countries, boasting a very low crime rate compared to many large cities in the US or Europe. Importantly, most public areas in China are equipped with modern security surveillance systems, ensuring safety for both residents and visitors. If you have concerns about safety while traveling, China will give you peace of mind whether you're walking the streets at night or visiting famous landmarks. One of the most attractive aspects of China is the quality of education. China has made substantial investments in its education system and now has several universities that are ranked among the best globally, such as Peking University and Tsinghua University. Notably, tuition fees at public universities are between $3,000 and $8,000 per year, which is considerably lower than those at universities in the US. International schools also serve expatriates, with fees ranging from $10,000 to $30,000 per year, still more affordable than private schools in the US. When it comes to healthcare, China has a rapidly evolving healthcare system. Public healthcare services are offered at reasonable rates, averaging about $10 to $20 for a routine checkup, significantly cheaper than in the United States. Furthermore, national health insurance covers a substantial part of medical expenses, thereby easing the financial burden on the citizens. Major cities like Beijing and Shanghai house hospitals equipped with modern facilities, specialized departments, and highly qualified doctors, comparable to leading hospitals in the West. Among its achievements, China has made incredible strides in technology and is now the world's foremost digital technology hub, especially in artificial intelligence, 5G networks, and the development of self-driving vehicles. For example, Huawei, one of the prominent tech firms, has surpassed major global competitors in 5G development, solidifying China's position as a leader in the digital revolution. Particularly, China has made remarkable strides with mobile phone brands like Xiaomi and OnePlus, capturing the global market with affordable pricing. Moreover, each year you visit China, you will hardly recognize its skyline because China constructs a new skyscraper annually. No other nation in the world experiences development as swiftly as China does. In fact, China erects at least 73 new skyscrapers each year. At this point, you might be contemplating a trip or perhaps even retiring in China. Make sure to prepare your documents and visa application well in advance for your journey to China. Whether you're visiting or planning to settle down, proper planning regarding visa procedures is essential. For American citizens, the most common visa for tourism is the L visa, which permits stays of up to 30 days. You will need to provide proof of your travel itinerary, such as flight confirmations and hotel bookings. Applying for this visa can be done via the Chinese embassy or consulate, and it typically takes around 4 to 5 working days for processing. If you intend to stay longer, or if you're looking to work, you will require either a Z visa for work or an X visa for studies. Both of these visas demand additional documentation, such as an invitation letter from your employer or educational institution. If you're considering retirement in China, the process is a bit more challenging. The government doesn't offer a specific retirement visa, but there are pathways to apply for a long-term visa if you meet certain financial criteria like demonstrating adequate income. Be ready for a process that might take a few weeks and will need some patience. Always verify the latest regulations with the Chinese consulate before applying to avoid any unexpected issues. We have shared experiences of living in China together. We look forward to having you join us on our future travels around the world. See you soon.